This is a quick unboxing and first impression video of the Howdelli steering wheel lock as bought on Amazon. Here's what the page looks like. Cost $24.49. It's got 4.7 stars and great reviews, so let's have a look. As always with Amazon, one big box, a ton of unnecessary packaging, great for environment. Box itself is quite thin. Durable and strong, convenient to use, anti-theft design, self-defense, hammer and universal fit. It's even got a BMW steering wheel. 1 second locking, double entry, a new, practical and safe. Much bigger than expected, feels solid. Nice big spike here. Let me go ahead and just close it down. 3 keys. The keys are quite big. I don't know if you can see that. Without the key it can go outwards, but not in. Ratchets onto these teeth. So gives you about 12 inches of travel. Big hooks that will fit, well, it fits my wrist, so it'll fit most steering wheels. The handle is made out of a foam, which is really soft. And we have a window spike. Officially this would be a window escape tool, but self-defense I think we'll say. Decent bit of kit, highly visible, great deterrent. Only one comment I would make is that the spring for the ratchet is quite loose, so if I just tip it, it's going to fall out. Might just rectify this by putting an elastic band over it. It's quite frustrating that I need the key again to close, but that'll be handy for when I don't have the key and want to lock it quickly and get out. So that's that. Howdelli car anti-theft lock, or as we should just call it, a steering lock.